the phone with your girlfriend. She's upset. She's going off about something that you said. 'Cause she doesn't get your humor like I do. I'm in my room. It's a typical Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like, and she'll never know your story like I do. 'Cause she wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find that what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you could see that I'm the one who understands you, been here all along, so why
berkaitan dengan program-program komuniti kekuluman seperti mana yang ada di USK dan diketuai oleh Pak
Presiden
Nigeria. Ya, terima kasih. Panjang tu.
in the streets with you in your worn out jeans. I can't help thinking this is how it ought to be. Laughing on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? You've got a smile that could light up this whole town. I haven't seen it in a while since I brought you down. You say you're fine, I know you better than that. Hear what you're doing with
Oh yeah.
like that. She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's
Dan bisa untuk menjadi kegiatan di masa depan.
the bleachers, dreaming
Oh, sangat seru.
Seru.
Jadi mengisi air embernya, mengisi form untuk tumbuhannya, dan mengisikannya seru.
Iya.
Tinggal kita bagian isi pakainya aja kan.
Oh mantap.
Kedepannya ikan-ikan ini berkembang dan menjadi manfaat pembelajaran bagi kami, terutama untuk disabilitas. Jadi pembelajaran agar kami mungkin bisa membuka usaha peternakan ikan kita. SLB Negeri Banda Aceh tetap maju.